Ringtone, Riddims.
Can you freestyle? Give me some bars. Can you drop bars?
Give me the beat.
This is the beat. Wine, back to mine.
Here with Jay. Wanna give him the beat?
This one I'm flipping on my zoo and I'll flip it on you.
That's some dead ass beat, bro.
Tony Banani, tell him how could they deny it, G?
Yes, yes, yeah. Yes.
Ring. Tone. Riddims.
Right, we're gonna keep this short and sweet. Basically, we enjoy doing ringtone rhythms, so we're gonna go back out and
We're gonna see what the people got. Hopefully we've brought a bit more flavour, because the last time I feel like my bars weren't as strong as I'd like him to.
Sounds like a proper geezer. Don't take him for no tweezer.
And I'd like to say that I've rehearsed, but I haven't. So they're just going to be equally as shit. But I'm excited to see where the night takes us.
maybe we find the world's worst barra.
Oh, I'm here though.
Fair. Complete. Done.
Video over.
Right. See you on the streets.
See you on the streets, bitch.
Streets, baby!
Oh, hi.
Before we get into the ringtone rhythms, make sure you check out Monah Lisa Chronicles, who I did this video with. Let the rhythms commence.
I'll be sipping on my juice while I'm flipping on my zoo and I'll flip it on you like the zoo was a two spot. Do you get that? I don't think that you do. Like, alright, run that again.
We're reloading it.
Yeah, reload.
What are you sipping on?
Whiskey sour. Look, get so high when I'm buzzing in the booth. I'll be sipping on my juice while I'm flipping on my zoo and I'll flip it on you like the zoo was a two spot. Do you get that? I don't think that you do. Does he get that? I don't think that he does. Zoo backwards, you can spell that. Cars to get the best buns, to get the best buns. Reverse the word guns to talk a Vince Snug. She a bad bitch, money on my roll like bugs. Just couldn't get enough and I knew she was on it from the first touch. And she got me in gear when she clutched that clutch.
Friends, are you proud of him? Are you proud of him? Yeah!
Someone drop the beat then.
Not the beat, I don't even try!
Punch a bump the face in that weight. If I draw for the back, make him lose weight. When he sees me start running to his house, I will catch him, silence him like mass.
My name is Christy. I'm the hamster. I live in London.
Hey, kill him!
Wine, back to mine. Everybody is looking fine. If you want to be there at 9. Because we are going to have a good time.
Yeah, alright.
Do you actually want to? Come on.
He's a virgin. He's a virgin, that's why I don't want to freestyle.
I'm so much stone cold. I like him. I like the energy that he's on.
Ciao, bella.
Yeah, keep going.
Give me the beat.
This is the beat.
No, you.
Okay. Talking about, because I'm a mother hen. I got the paper, you bring the pen. Got my Italian friends sitting on here, now here you go.
Poi abbiamo incontrato le ragazze inglesi, ora siamo qui a rappare. Go!
Can you freestyle?
Freestyle!
Coming like a B2K member. I don't know what he's speaking.
Sing in Italian.
Yes, Italian. Ciao, bella. Ciao, bella. Spaghetti bolognese. Jump in when you say hey. Christina, she's got the pizza.
Sprinkle the cheese on the pizza.
Let the whole country know.
Graham's up.
I think we got a rap battle here now. We're going bar for bar. Sono troppo stanco per andare a casa. Cristina non poteva parlare. Nessuno può capire perché è andata a casa.
From the beginning.
That's some dead ass beat, bro.
It's the Nokia, what are you talking
Fuck that
about?
beat, bro.
dare
That's
Listen.
Thank you. Go on, I'm signed to a label. Let's see. Yeah, go on.
That's some dead ass beat, bro.
Who do we have here? Introduce yourself.
Tony Banani.
Tony Banani! You are Angel.
I know you wanna be, I'm fresh face schooling kids.
Who you trying to be? I'm running things, come talk to me. Tony Benani, tell him how could they deny G? This game's played out nowadays, all on me. I go from A to B, advanced, you still on basic. Got more attitude, energy, these man them wasted. We ain't from the same strip, what you rapping about?
Bow.
Run up in your house, show you what I'm all about.
Bow.
I know these hungry gooners, youngers that got no excuses. You stuck in a box. Fuck out these closets. Be a man, man up. I'm like 2 pots back. You smoking all them wrong trees. I'll catch you slipping. Feed you what you don't need. That's it. That's
Well,
it.
that was Absolutely. Here, sitting, looking like a bag of money, looking like a bag of honey. More jumping because I ain't got no lines. I ain't got no lines either, but I look a bit like a beaver. So if you want to drop the bars and we get some cars and make some money.